guys, and welcome back to my channel. So weird. In this video I am doing this look that was inspired by Heather Moorhouse, also known as Makeup Mouse. A personal favorite of mine. I absolutely love what she does. She is so freaking creative and beautiful and British and just all the good stuff, really. So yeah, this is a look that was inspired by her color block makeup look. I just decided to do it the other way around, like the opposite, I guess. Oh my god, I can't speak right now. Anyways, if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. So I will be starting this by filling out my brows as per usual. So I am using the Paradise Pomade Extatic from L'Oreal Paris as per usual. And next I will be priming my lids because I'm doing eyes first today. So I am using the Put a Lid on It eyelid primer from the Balm. There we go. And we are joined by Fleur, obviously. I think she's just watching the snow fall right now. We have a current snowstorm going. So yeah, I think she's just watching that. Good girl. Now I will be going in with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And I will be taking this orange and placing all over my lid. And maybe I will be putting this in my inner corner. I actually really like this brush. It's the first time I'm using it, and this is, well, it just says eyeshadow, but it is an eyeshadow brush from the Body Shop, so recommend. Moving on to a fluffier brush, I'm just gonna make this edge less harsh. And now I'm gonna put a bit of orange on the outer portion of my lower lash line and my inner one, but I think in the inner I'm gonna put that yellow. And like I said, I think I'm gonna put, whoopsie daisy, this yellow in my inner corner. Now I think I will be going in with this purple, and I will be putting this in between the orange on the outer and inner parts of my lower lash line. kind of cute. So next I will be using the Daring Mood Crayon by Hallberg Cosmetics. And I will be putting this purple just where I've got the purple. Or I'm gonna try and do that. And on the inside and outside, I will be using the Likeable Mood Crayon by Hallberg Cosmetics, which is an orange. Like so. You can't really tell, but I think that's kind of what does it, that you can't. And now I will just be grabbing the Magic by Juvia's Place palette, and I will be going in with the color Kessie, and this is just to, oh my god, what's happening? To blend out that orange. Like instantly better. And next I will be going in with some mascara, and this is the veryme Extendalash Mascara from Oriflame. I don't think they sell it anymore. And I will also be applying a pair of no brand lashes. This was not easy. A pair of non-brand lashes in this sort of style, and off camera, of course, like so. And now I will be moving on to base. I hate that this thing is like sticking up here. Don't do that, please. Anywho, I will be starting by putting a bit of concealer underneath my eyes. So I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer or something like that. And for powder, I will, as usual, go in with the Wonder Powder from Makeup Store in the color Nevada. Potato. I'll just continue with bronzer, and like last time, I am using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. There we go. So pretty! And very lightly. Like so. And next I'm going in with the Old Trustworthy Infinity Palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. And for blush, I will be using the color Andromeda, as I normally would. And I think for highlight, I'm just gonna go in with Virgio, I don't know. next question is what to do about lips. Should I go orange or purple? So for lips I will be going purple, I think. So I will be going in I will be going in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in the color Subversive Socialite. Very easy to say. Like so. It actually looks super pretty. I love this lipstick. I'm just gonna get myself done and then I will be right back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. I don't know what I was expecting for it to turn out, but I ain't mad. I like it. But this is the kind of look that I would actually go for, so I'm not surprised that I like it. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this too, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought about this video or what you want to see in a future video. And I will see you not too long from now, I hope. Bye!